Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys on how to make yogurts, different varieties of yogurts. Here, we'll be using 250 grams of milk powder. And the next ingredient is our water. Here, we are going to be using 3 cups of hot water. Hot water. After adding the hot water, I'm going to use my hand mixer to mix everything together. I'm going to mix it well to avoid lumps of milk in the mixture. So after mixing it, I'm going to add the remaining water, that's room temperature water. Here I will still be using 3 cups of room temperature water. Room temperature is water that is not cold or hot. It's neither cold or hot. And make sure that you use treated water. Don't use ordinary water or anyhow water. Use treated water, sachet water or bottled water. So after mixing it, I'm going to use a sieve and sieve the milk in order to sieve out some lumps from the milk. This is to avoid having lumps in the yogurt. So the next ingredient is our yogurt starter. Here we'll be using half cup of yogurt starter. As you can see, this yogurt is from our previous yogurts that we made, our Greek yogurts. You can see the consistency of it. It contains live culture and it is unsweetened. So we are going to add the yogurts into our milk and mix everything together to combine very well. Here I will equally use my hand mixer in order to dissolve the yogurt. And while making your yogurt production, make sure that the equipment that you are using is sterilized. Make sure they are sterilized. Please, if today is the first time you are visiting our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Right now, I'm going to cover the mixture and then put it in the oven or cooler, any of your choice. In our previous video, I showed you how you can put it inside your cooler after folding it with a towel. First of all, I used a nylon to tie it. Then I think I skipped the video. I used a nylon to tie it before using a towel to wrap it. Then this one I used an oven, but the previous video I used a cooler and I allow it to sit for 7 hours. Yeah, 7 hours. 7 hours is good. But if you want to leave yours to stay for 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, it depends on your choice. You can actually see the consistency of the yogurt. The outcome is so nice. Here, right now, I'm going to use my hand mixer to mix the yogurt for it to combine very well. Here, you can use a cheesecloth. If you want to make your Greek yogurt from this, you can pour it inside the cheesecloth for the way to drain out. Or what I'm doing right now, using my hand mixer, you can actually use your blender. There are people that will just pour everything inside their blender and blend, and after blending it, it will be so smooth and the consistency will be so nice. You can use your blender, you can use your hand mixer, anyone works. You can use your mixer, your standing mixer. Yes, you can pour it inside and mix it. You can use your hand mixer too. Anyone, any of your choice. So after mixing it, I'm going to add sugar to sweeten the yogurt. Here we'll be using 1 cup of sugar for this recipe. 1 cup of sugar is the accurate measurement for the recipe, but here I used half cup. What I actually added is half cup because I don't have sweet tooth. Yes, I don't like it when it's too sugary. I prefer adding a minimum amount, so I use half cup of sugar. But while making it, you can use 1 cup of sugar or to your taste. But if you're making for a business, what you need is 1 cup of sugar to sweeten it well. Right now, we are going to be making different varieties of yogurt. Different varieties. So I'm going to be scooping out 2 cups of yogurt each in a different plate for us to mix them out. So I was able to scoop out 2 different cups of yogurt on different plates. Then we will be starting with our strawberry yogurt. Here, this flavor is strawberry flavor, but this particular one contains color. After adding it to your yogurt, you don't need to add any other food color to it. We have 2 types of strawberry. We have the colored one and the plain strawberry. The plain strawberry doesn't contain any color. It's just plain white. But this one in particular contains color. It's an industrial flavor that has a food color inside. Can you see the outcome of it after adding it to the yogurt? It just came out so nice and perfect. It doesn't require additional food color to this. So this is good to go. After adding your food color, make sure your flavor, make sure that you mix it very very well. I'm using a spoon here because of the amount that I'm making. The amount I'm making, the quantity I'm making is not much. But if you don't have this particular flavor, this particular one that I use now, you can use the plain one and then add a small quantity of red color, small quantity. And the red color that you can use is Excellence Blend Bread Food Color, or any food color that you think is nice is fine. So this is Excellent red color. I just scoop some amount from the shop. Yes, this is the business that we'll do in. We'll have everything at the shop. So this particular one, you just add small amount of it and it will give you the color that you want. It will give you a pinkish color. So these are the 2 ways for you to achieve your strawberry. But if you want to make it pure natural, you can buy your strawberry fruits and blend it and pour it inside the mixture. So the next one is our banana yogurt. To achieve it, we'll be using an egg yellow food color. Egg yellow food color, you can get it at any baking shop. 50 naira own, just small amount of it is okay, just a little amount. You can see the quantity that I added. Yes, so that amount is going to give me what I want. So the next flavor to add is our banana flavor. If you want to buy a banana flavor, ask them for the industrial banana flavor. Yes, you can see the quantity that I have. I will be adding 1/8 teaspoon of the flavor to it, and it came out nice. So if you want to buy, ask for the industrial banana flavor. This container that I use now to measure out the flavor is being sold at 500 naira for that amount. So, and it's so nice. The flavor is so nice. Is of high quality. So this is how to achieve our banana and strawberry yogurt. The last but not the least is our vanilla yogurt. Here I added about 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla flavor. After adding it, I'm going to mix it well to combine. We have different types of vanilla flavor. We have the dark vanilla, we have the cream vanilla, we have varieties. We have Foster Clark. Any of your choice, you can use them. Make sure you use good quality vanilla flavor. So after adding the flavors, the next step is to package our products. So right now I'll be using my measuring cup. You can use a measuring cup on a funnel. If you don't have a measuring cup, you can use a funnel, or if you want to make it faster, you can just use your funnel. And so I'll be using my measuring cup, my big measuring cup, to pour in the yogurt into the containers. I'm going to pour them one after the other. So after doing that, I'm going to put them inside the fridge for them to set. You know that if you put this inside the fridge, it's going to set, and the consistency will be thicker than this. This one you are even looking at the screen. Yes, it won't be as thick as after putting it inside the fridge. The consistency is going to be very thick once it's come out from the fridge. So this is a simple and easy way to make your homemade yogurt, to make your yogurt at home. Then you can equally monetize it. If you wish to make money from making and selling yogurts, yes, this is the best way you can make them, the best way you can make your yogurts. And after making it, it will come out nice. And this particular one doesn't contain any preservative. It doesn't contain any preservatives, only flavors and food color. So this is a good way to make your yogurt at home, or you can produce to sell to your friends, your family. You can even decide to supply in different places, or you can just make yogurt and be taking them at home. We all know the super health benefits of yogurts because of the healthy bacteria that they contain. They are super rich, they are healthy, they help in healing the guts, they help in gut healing. They are so good and rich. Why don't you give it a trial? Thank you for watching.